This is the VELCO Weather Hazards Heads up for gusty northwesterly gradient winds that should stay below subalert criteria levels for this afternoon and into Saturday evening. This is a quick-moving kind of potent weather disturbance. It is mainly going to produce some gusty winds and a little bit of spritzy showers. There's a possibility, though, one or two of the showers across the Northeast Kingdom may even include a couple rumbles of thunder. So we'll be watching that here in a second. But this is our winds here. This is roughly by 2 o'clock. It starts to hit the Champlain Valley. Then you see those lighter green colors there. Those wind gusts are up in the 20s miles per hour. There's nothing real super there. These are sustained winds, by the way, so these aren't wind gusts. But this area of low pressure tracking through the region through this period is going to give us a little bit of a blast. This is the little potent weather maker here. We have a tighter pressure gradient on the back side of this system, and low pressure is becoming a little bit more baggy. The pressure gradient is stretching out a little bit. So I'm expecting the area of low pressure to track more across northern Vermont and then off the coast into the Gulf of Maine. All of this by really later this evening or into Saturday night. High pressure will build in behind it, bringing a very beautiful day actually on Sunday. But you can see wind gusts here are in that 25 to 35 mile an hour realm, and I'm expecting this to translate across the region with a bit of a gusty flare-up here probably after about 2 o'clock or so. Another quick look at that system going through parts of Vermont, and quickly it exits. So this is roughly 2 o'clock this afternoon on Saturday. That's 8 o'clock this evening. It'll leave its trailing precipitation and blow on out of here pretty quickly. 1029 millibar high pressure system then builds in for a beautiful day on Saturday. And we have something else to be concerned with. It looks like a pretty good southeasterly gradient wind. This will be taking place along about Monday afternoon into Monday night. And we'll watch this progress with a shot of rain that may buffer things and reduce the wind speeds. But this weather system will give us a piece of rain, and then a colder air on the back side of that system. It looks like for Tuesday night into Wednesday will be in the vicinity here, and generally a cutoff low later on down the road. That's going to make for very unsettled weather. No great issues in terms of critical mass here for our utilities, but some of our mountaintops look like they're going to get dusted up with some snow. And looking at it in terms of precipitation, we're looking at by 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, noontime. Showers are just starting to get over toward the St. Lawrence River Valley, really. And then they'll start to enter the Champlain Valley around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Notice that some of these darker reds here, there could even be some mixed isolated thunder and maybe some graupel as temperatures aloft will be chilly, especially in northern New Hampshire and northern Vermont. So that system then exits, tails off pretty quickly. So roughly about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, we're looking at the precipitation pretty much out of the region. And just the far northeastern corner of the state, we'll see a little bit of a lingering wet snowflake or a flurry or maybe a little dicey sprinkle mixed with wet snow kind of deal. Not really looking at anything major here with this particular weather system, although it is potent and a very fast-moving one. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights.